Okay, so the last thing we need to cover here is the midpoint. We want to find the midpoint. So the midpoint formula is mxy, and it's equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. It looks complicated, but it's really simple. All you're doing is you're taking the first x numbers, dividing it by 2, and you're taking the y numbers and dividing it by 2. And that's it. It's like the average of the x's and the average of the y's. All right, and then that will be your midpoint formula. I'm sorry, that will be your midpoint. Okay. So in this case, let's say we have P1 is equal to 2, -3, and say P2 is equal to 10, 3. Okay. All right. So see if you can try to figure out what goes with what. All right. And then go ahead and submit your answer. Okay. So I will label this as my x1, y1, and label this as my x2, y2. Okay. So again, see if you can figure this out and then post your answer, and then we'll be done for today. Thank you. Okay, so again, what is the midpoint, right? What does that mean? That means if you have 2 points, oops, if you have, if you have a line, right, it has 2 points here, right? And all we're looking for is, if you apply this formula, is what's the midpoint? What's the middle of that? What's the middle point of these 2 points here of this line? That's all we're looking for. What's that? What's that midpoint? Okay, so to find that midpoint, we just use this formula. Okay, so x1 is 2, x2 is 10, and divided by 2. Y1 is -3, plus y2 is 3, divided by 2. Okay, so then that gives us 2 plus 10, which is 12, divided by 2. -3 plus 3 is 0, divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is going to give us 6, and then 0 divided by 2 is going to give us 0. And then that's our answer, okay, which a lot of you guys got, right? So it's that simple. You just plug it into the formula, basically take the average of the x, take the average of the y, and then you get your midpoint. Okay? Any questions on here? Okay, cool.